Hello student, today we are going to discuss Cayley's theorem. Okay, so in previous lecture, proof of Cayley's theorem is remaining. So Cayley's theorem, Cayley's theorem, Cayley's theorem. Okay, so this theorem is very important for university exam. So statement of this theorem. Statement: every group is isomorphic to group of permutation. Okay, every group is isomorphic to group of permutation. Okay, Cayley's theorem, every group is isomorphic to group of permutation. So proof of this theorem, how to proving this theorem? Their proof is very simple but long. Let G be a group. Let G be a group. And let S suffix G. This is a set of group of permutation. Okay, this notation is group of permutation. Be the group of permutation. On G. Okay, with the group of permutation on G. To show that what is to here to show every group is isomorphic to group of permutation, means G is isomorphic to SG. Okay, that is to show that G is isomorphic. G is isomorphic to subgroup of SG. Every group is isomorphic to group of permutation. Okay, so firstly, G is isomorphic to group of permutation. How to prove? Firstly, we define a map from G to G, and their map is a permutation on G or not. Firstly, to prove, define map from any map. Okay, suppose here lambda x is map from G to G, then lambda x such as how to define lambda x of G equal to xg, and this map is to show which is permutation on G or not. Permutation means which is 1 1 on 2, means bijective. Okay, so firstly we define map for x belongs to G. Such define the map for x belongs to G. Define the map for x belongs to G. Define the map lambda x from G to G. Lambda x from G to G such that lambda suffix x of G equal to x into G for all G belongs to G. Okay, for all G belongs to group G. We have to show here, firstly to show that we show that lambda x is permutation on G. Lambda x is permutation on G or not. Lambda x is permutation means lambda x, this map is firstly to show 1 1 and on 2, means bijective by definition of permutation. Okay, so for this we have to show, that is to show lambda x is 1 1 and on 2. Okay, for 1 1, how to show 1 1? What is definition of 1 1? If we choosing it lambda x of g1 equal to lambda x of g2, and then show that g1 equal to g2, or lambda x of g1 which is not equal to lambda x of g2, and then lastly to show that g1 is not equal to g2. Okay, so here let lambda x of g1 equal to lambda x of g2, where g1 g2 belongs to g. Okay, when lambda x apply on that in two elements from of g, and then to show that g1 and g2 are equal elements. Okay, then their value is lambda x of g1 by definition of mapping. Here lambda x of g1 equal to x into g1 equal to x into g2, and x and g1 are elements of g, and these elements also g, because g1 and g2 are belongs to g and x belongs to g. Okay, so this g is a group, and by left cancellation law is hold in group g. So x get cancelled, which implies that here by definition of lambda x, and we get a g1 equal to g2. Okay, by left cancellation law in g, because g is a group and g in group left cancellation law is hold. Okay, therefore g1 equal to g2 by definition of 1 1, lambda x is 1 1. Okay, now lambda x is onto to show lambda x is onto, how to prove what is definition of lambda x onto. Okay, let choose any one element from codomain. Okay, this is codomain G. Okay, let G belongs to codomain to show that there exists C belongs to G. This C belongs to G means here one of the element in exist in domain. Okay, here this G is domain. Okay, and this G is codomain, such that lambda x of C equal to G. Okay, means every element of codomain there exists one of the element in domain, such that lambda x of this apply on that domain element, then their value is must be codomain element. Okay, so here lambda x of C equal to G, we take C equal to x inverse of G. This belongs to in G. Why this belongs to in G? By closure property. Any element from G, x inverse, x belongs to G, then their inverse is also exist in G, because G is a group and this element is also in G. Okay, G is also belongs to G, x inverse belongs to G, then G is a group, then their multiplication. Okay, x inverse star G or x inverse dot G belongs to G by closure property. Okay, therefore lambda x of C equal to lambda x of x inverse G, lambda x of x inverse G. This lambda x, this map is applied on that this element, then their value is x into x inverse G. X into x inverse value is identity, and their value is G. Okay, here by definition of lambda x, and here by inverse property. Okay, by inverse and identity property. By inverse and identity property, x into x inverse equal to identity, and identity into G equal to G itself. Okay, so by using these two properties, x into x inverse into G equal to G. Okay, therefore lambda x of C equal to G exists, means this element is exist in G. This element x inverse G belongs to exist in domain, such that when lambda x is when function lambda x is applied on that element, then we get a value is G itself. Okay, so by definition of onto, lambda x is a onto. Okay, that is G has preimage in G, means domain. Okay, domain. Therefore lambda x is onto, and therefore lambda x is a permutation on G. Therefore lambda x is a permutation on G. Okay, that is lambda x belongs to SG. Lambda x is permutation on G, which implies that lambda x belongs to SG, because SG is a group of permutation. Okay, so now next to one part is completed. So next part is define map from G to SG. Okay, next we define phi. We define phi from G to SG as phi of x equal to lambda x. Define a map from G to SG, phi of x equal to lambda x for all x belongs to G, to show that G is isomorphic to subgroup of SG. G is isomorphic to, here to show that G is isomorphic to subgroup of SG. Okay, we show that isomorphic means definition of what is definition of isomorphic? To show phi is 1 1 onto an homomorphism. Okay, if we satisfy these three conditions, then given map is a isomorphic map, that is two sets are isomorphic. Okay, so we have to show, that is to show, or we have to show phi is 1 1 homomorphic. Okay, phi is 1 1 homomorphic. G is isomorphic to subgroup of SG. Here by using in previous lemma it says that if G and G dash are group, okay, G is isomorphic to subgroup of G. How to proving here? Here in previous lemma, what is statement of lemma? In this statement is seen in previous lecture. So this statement is, suppose that what statement of lemma is? G and G dash be groups. Okay, G and G dash are be groups. Let phi from G to G dash, phi from G to G dash be function which is 1 1, and phi of x into y equal to phi of x into phi of y. Okay, this condition means homo is also condition is given. Okay, phi of x into phi of y for all x y belongs to G. Okay, for all x y belongs to G, then phi of G is subgroup of G dash. Okay, subgroup of G dash, and phi provided in previous lemma statement is, and phi provided and isomorphism of G with phi of G. Okay, using this lemma to show that G is isomorphic to subgroup of SG. Okay, so to use this lemma, we have to show G is isomorphic to subgroup of SG, means to show that only phi is 1 1 and homo, because here phi is 1 1 and homo. Okay, these two conditions is satisfied, then phi of G is a subgroup of G dash, means phi G is isomorphic to subgroup of SG. Okay, so that is to show that phi is 1 1 and onto. Okay, so phi is 1 1 for phi is 1 1 let xy belongs to G, such that let xy belongs to G such that phi of x equal to phi of y, then value of phi of x by definition of is lambda x equal to lambda y. Okay, lambda x equal to lambda y, which implies that value of lambda x, what is definition of lambda x equal to lambda x of G equal to lambda y of G. Okay, for all lambda x means this map. Okay, and value of lambda x is lambda value of lambda x of G equal to xg. Okay, so using this for all G belongs to G, using for all x belongs to G and G belongs to G, for all G belongs to G, which implies that x into G equal to y into G, and we get G get cancelled, remaining only x equal to y. Okay, so here by definition of lambda, here by definition of lambda x, and here by right cancellation law in G. Okay, so G belongs to G, x belongs to G, then G is a group, so G satisfy right cancellation law, or G hold in right cancellation law. Okay, so x equal to y, therefore phi is 1 1. Okay, one condition is proved. So next condition is homomorphic. Okay, so phi is homomorphism, Okay, how to prove it? We have to show that phi is homomorphism. That is to show that phi of x into y equal to phi of x into phi of y for all x y belongs to G. Okay, to consider phi of x y equal to, what is value of phi of x y is lambda x y. Okay, lambda suffix x y. Okay, and phi of x into phi of y, their value is lambda x into lambda y. Okay, this value phi of x into y, their value is lambda suffix x into y, and phi of x into phi of y is their value is lambda x into lambda y. Then to show phi of x into y equal to phi of x into phi of y. Okay, to show lambda x y equal to lambda x into lambda y. Consider lambda of x y of G, lambda of x of G equal to x into y into G by definition of lambda x. Okay, x y into G equal to x y G. Also lambda x into lambda y, lambda x into lambda of G equal to lambda x into lambda y of G. Okay, then value of lambda y of G is y into G by definition of lambda y, and again lambda x is applied on that this element, then their value is x y G. Okay, by definition of lambda x. Okay, this x is at that suffix. Okay, lambda x. Then suppose this equation number 1 and this equation number is 2. Okay, therefore from 1 and 2 lambda xy equal to lambda x into lambda y. Therefore by definition of homomorphism, phi is an homomorphism. Okay, phi is an homomorphism. Okay, therefore phi is 1 1, phi is homo. Therefore by above lemma means here lemma says that Therefore, by lemma, what lemma? Lemma is written in above. Okay, this lemma, using this lemma, G and G dash B group, phi is 1 1 and homo, then phi of G is subgroup of G dash, means phi of G. Phi of G is a subgroup of G dash, means G is a subgroup of, so G is a isomorphic to subgroup of group of permutation. Okay, by lemma, phi is an isomorphism. Phi is isomorphism, phi from G to SG. Okay, G to, sorry, phi of G, not SG, phi of G. Okay, but phi of G is a subset of SG, because this range set is a subset of SG, because here codomain is set of permutation, sorry, group of permutation. Okay, therefore phi of G is a subset of SG, which implies that G is isomorphic to subgroup of SG. G is isomorphic to subgroup of SG. That is every group is, with this means that G is isomorphic to subgroup of SG, and subgroup of SG must be permutation. That is every group, G is any arbitrary group, so every group is isomorphic to group of permutation. Okay, every group is isomorphic to group of permutation. This is very important and very simple theorem. So only to prove here how to show this theorem, here only to define first map lambda x G to G, such that lambda x of G equal to Hg, and lambda x is to show this is this is 1 1 and on to, means permutation on G. Okay, permutation on G, then show lambda x equal to lambda x is 1 1 and on to, then nextly define phi from G to SG, such that phi of x equal to lambda x. Okay, then this map phi is to show phi of x to show 1 1 and homo, and use this lemma. By using this lemma, phi of G is a subgroup of G dash, and phi provided an isomorphism of G with phi of G. Okay, means restriction of phi of G. Okay, phi from G to phi of G, and phi of G is a subset of group of permutation. Therefore phi of G is a G is isomorphic to group of permutation. Okay, using this lemma only to show 1 1 onto, then next define the map to show 1 1 and homo, then use this lemma. Okay, use this lemma to show that direct G is isomorphic to subgroup of SG, that is every group of is isomorphic to group of permutation. This is trick of to prove this theorem, and this is very important theorem for university exam. Okay.